could never be the Bachelorette. One man causes me so much anxiety. Hello, my fellow explorers. So I'm back again today with my friend Eriana.
Hi!
It's been a hot minute since she's been on my channel. So today we are starting what might become a series of The Bachelorette. So The Bachelorette actually started yesterday. Today is Tuesday. We'll see when this actually gets uploaded, but we're gonna react to it. It'll be a good time. I did not watch the last season of The Bachelor, but I actually watched the season that Ari was originally on way back when, like sophomore year of high school, when he was on Bethany's season.
Old.
Oh, it was wild. Because when they announced who the next Bachelor was gonna be, I was shook. Because he looks old now compared to then. He was the runner-up then. But anyway, I did not watch this past season, but I know all the drama that happened between him and Warren.
Yes, I'll give a little
Okay, she watches all of them. She watches so much trash TV, so I'm going to let her give the spiel.
I'm going to preface by saying I have not watched all of the seasons. I'm a more recent Bachelorette fan. But basically, Ari chose Becca, which is this season's Bachelorette, to propose to. And she accepted, and they were about 2 weeks into their post-production life when he decided that, oh no, I'm in love with Lauren more than I'm in love with Becca. Becca's just more family future friendly. So he broke up with Becca in a very awkward way. You can watch that later.
I've seen part of it. It's pretty bad.
It's really bad. And then decided to confess his love to Lauren, who is totally open and hoping for him to run back into her arms. So she was fine, and they're living happily as of now.
Anyway, so it is Tuesday afternoon. It premiered yesterday. We've got our wine. We're going to react. It's going to be a time. And then we're going to pick, because my friend wanted me to, we're going to pick our top 3 guys at the end and discuss.
Yes.
Cool. Let's go.
Yes!
Sometimes I forget how much you love trash television.
I do. It's so entertaining.
Like, she'll watch all of the good stuff, like the good quality content with, like, high Rotten Tomatoes ratings, and then she'll watch pure trash. You're the only person I know to watch the New Jersey Shore.
Oh, I love that. Like, it's, okay, because you have to get all of the trash, and then you have to get all of the, okay, I just watched it. It's on a spectrum.
Are we?
They're starting.
We're starting.
I know, guys.
This is a lot already.
He was like basically in love with Lauren the whole time, all season, and it's like you could tell he was more in love with Lauren.
Yeah.
But she was just less logistically pleasing. Like she was a little bit younger than him.
Okay.
And like she wasn't settled down, ready to like start the life. Becca was more secure.
Okay. These photos always give me hope for like the rest of us, like to see if people that awkward bloomed that much, like.
I mean, you could be on The Bachelorette right now. Or The Bachelor right now.
Then yeah, but I'm not going to. Is that me and Mama?
I literally was going to say the same thing.
Because it's a brown-haired girl with a mom with red hair.
Yes. Like, if there was a woman version of Tall, Dark, and Handsome, like, she is Tall, Dark, and Handsome.
Short bed. There are 2 kinds of people. What's her job?
I thought she was in marketing.
Maybe she is. Ooh, then she really is me. But more successful and more pretty.
Don't quote me. I don't remember what she actually does.
It could never be the Bachelorette. One man causes me so much anxiety.
Oh, you would have a breakdown.
The Bachelor wouldn't be as bad because like you don't have to it's mostly like a little more chill and you're not like all the pressure isn't on you. They don't pick me up like, okay, bye.
And please don't edit this out. Here.
I still love her.
What we want to do with you. We are going to sage this house.
Hello.
Big ass mansion. Oh, I had to sage this mansion. I mean, a lot of dirty stuff.
All of the last Bachelorettes, their first impression rose are with the guys that they're married to now. Women do have intuition.
None of them are married, I don't think.
Reno, Nevada. I love going up to Lake Tahoe, and I am sure pleased to be on The Bachelorette and meet Becca. Was that pretty good?
That made me stop.
Casual.
Pensive gentleman.
The what?
The pensive gentleman. That's his.
What does that
that's
mean?
His, like smoldering, like that's his.
Oh, he's out. You're gone. There's this cute guy from my school. He's from Nigeria that I've been to my talking to.
I have a good feeling.
I should blast that on the internet.
Ah! Did you dare?
Hi, I'm Joe.
Oh, he's also cute. They're all so cute.
Very Italian.
I love the smell of cologne in the morning. I'm a colognosaur. I love fragrances. It smells like high school. It truly is.
What,
a spice
Axe?
bomb. I have over 100 bottles. I really see them as
Axe is middle school.
This is about $1,200.
No girl is gonna know how much your
Cologne.
scent costs.
Like, you could literally rub it off a magazine and be like, oh, they smell nice.
Okay, apparently my friends have been saying they like Colton. I can see why they like him. Very much their type. Okay, shh. We're talking about cystic fibrosis right now. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I love him. And I understand why my sorority sisters like him too, because he created his own foundation for our national philanthropy.
What sorority are you in? I wouldn't.
Delta Phi Epsilon. I hate that I'm a basic sorority girl, but I'm not the most basic.
Oh, I love it now. Like, all of the heads, Bachelor and Bachelorette, they all give like no shits about like when they're supposed to send people and they're like goodbye.
I don't know. Rachel took a long time to get rid of what's his face. Lee.
Lee was a charmer though.
No.
I liked him in the beginning until he started being a dick.
I'm not a fan of that name. Lee.
Lee, what's wrong with
I don't
Lee?
know. Well, one, it's my dad's middle name, so I'm just like, too much. I like how down to earth she is though.
Yeah. You know her catchphrase.
Thank you.
Let's do the damn thing.
I will catch you inside.
He's
Catch you
my type. He's not the cologne guy though.
Wow, you look absolutely gorgeous.
Are you sure?
I'm positive. He was the Nigerian Santa Monica guy.
The Nigerian dude was not that obsessed with cologne.
Yeah, that's
No,
what I
he-
meant. He's not the cologne guy. But she's like, oh, he smells good. So I was like, the
No,
cologne
that
guy's
guy
gonna
was.
be Joe.
The Nigerian Santa Monica guy.
That's the Nigerian Santa Monica guy.
No, that's
No,
not.
it
That's
wasn't.
what I'm saying. That is the cologne
That was the
dude.
cologne guy?
Wow, we did not even pay attention to what's his face.
He doesn't matter. Wait, but the cologne guy wasn't Jean Bloc.
That guy's absolutely gorgeous.
That was. I don't think that wasn't his name.
No, that was Jean Bloc. They showed it up. Or Blanc,
I'm
whatever.
so confused. That was the cologne
That's
guy.
not the cologne guy.
That guy's short. Oh boy.
Hi.
No.
I'm good, how are you?
This
Why
makes
don't
me.
you come out with the man bun?
I can't. I'm dying. Stop!
Oh. I'm gonna talk to the camera. This man has a cardboard cutout of Ari that he set as he went to meet Becca. Who does that?
Who finds that?
Cool ride.
I think,
Sister every day.
that's the guy.
That's the fishing.
That's the fishing guy.
What's her name?
He's growing on me.
He's charismatic. I think I like The Bachelorette
I think the competition
a
is definitely
little more
I like
than
it
The
way
Bachelor.
more.
The women are more sure of like who they're picking and why. Men have all their bravado, so when they're all in one room, they're just like
The
masculine
female
overload.
fights are so stupid.
Yeah.
I mean, so are a lot of the men fights, but
I'm here for the friends.
and
Yeah.
also I would much rather look at. How many
That's
men?
true.
Like,
Maybe that's.
I
how
don't need to
somebody
watch a
gets-
bunch of women wearing nice dresses.
Yeah, it just makes you realize.
That's
you don't
called
have
all
to
my
use
friends on
nice-
Facebook during like formal season.
Literally, I think I'm like, where do they get all these gowns?
They share them. They like cycle around. Like a lot of them will wear like if one owns one, they'll like let a different girl wear it a different week.
Who would think to bring a hearse? Like,
Wait a minute, somebody's in a hearse? I feel the competition.
I'd love to be one of the first guys to just watch everyone else arrive. But I also
You get to
hate
kinda
the
check-
waiting
Yeah, but you also get to kind of check out the competition level.
and the food.
Oh my gosh, Becca. When I heard you were the Bachelorette, I literally died. But then you brought me back to life.
I can't.
I like it.
But I'm not here to
Cool.
ruffle feathers and hopefully we can have excellent this time here. I'll see you in the hen house.
Sounds good.
He's wearing a plaid suit, so I'd let him slide a little bit. But there's always something about him that does kind of bother me.
Oh, what is that shirt? Oh, God.
What's happening?
Fire.
That would win my heart.
Dunked on the Bachelorette. He just dunks right over Becca. He's splits his legs.
She's too tall. Like, you need to find a shorter woman
I mean,
for that.
he did it.
I know,
He knew
but-
what he's been doing. He did this professionally.
I know, but still.
That little finger trick. I'm sure
Most
he does
women
it
are not that tall.
to pick up all the ladies. You have to steal her away.
Can I cut in?
Yeah, like all the guys are like blah, blah, throwing out. Then you're like, can I steal you? And then she's like, oh, he picked me out of a crowd of men.
Who would have thought? I would need to be slightly intoxicated to get through this night.
I feel like
They're surprising me.
she's probably less than the guys, but I feel like the guys,
Oh, please do, yeah.
well, they're so like macho, toxic masculinity.
I know someone who might not be here for the right reasons. There is a guy here in the
God,
house
we're starting this already?
might not have the purest intentions.
It's like they don't learn from past episodes.
It's good to ask.
Like, don't start shit.
Like neither the guy that's here for no reason nor the guy that says something about it does it ever
Light
go
dead.
well. Oh, I'm dark. I'm re-illuminated.
I'm not black.
Well, that'll never change.
Nor should it. You're beautiful.
Oh,
Just the way you are.
Stephanie is so sweet.
Don't let the racists get you down.
Let's put that on a pillow.
Liv, I'll be right back. Okay, hold the fort down.
Is he getting the guy? I hope he goes to get the guy.
This is so unnecessary. I mean, I understand it. Like, if one of my friends showed, I'd be like, this is just making me really uncomfortable.
It'd be like randomly, like you got famous and Tim was like Stephanie, and you were like you made out with all of my friends. Yeah, it's like someone that's been like had the opportunity if they were interested in you to pursue you in the past.
You've had plenty of.
Yeah, like this time. Clay, go get your rose, Clay.
That's so many roses so late.
Connor.
It's kind of
Yeah,
sad
like,
if you
I'm
don't
not-
get one.
Connor.
It's like you just have to not fuck it up.
Can you imagine her trying to pin that on the furry suit?
I was thinking that.
Trent.
Trent, I said Kent.
Oh, maybe it is Kent.
Oh, I was really Leo.
Yes!
They haven't showed. I don't know how they're the favorite when they haven't.
When they didn't show
They didn't
them.
see anything about.
I
them
mean,
interacting.
we did get his backstory though, so that's why people
We
were
got
rooting for
him. There's still the watermelon guy
There's two left.
and the plaid guy. No, there's one left now. This is the final rose.
Oh, is it?
Oh, look at him. He looks so sad. They showed the watermelon guy. His eyes were full of sadness. We could make brackets. You know how to make Bachelorette brackets?
Ooh, they're going to Asia.
They have a football challenge. I'm sure they're going to put every single, like, athletic guy in there.
There's a lot of them.
All the football guys. Mr. Globetrotter.
More energy, it's pheromones, it's science.
So how do you feel about Becca, your first impression then?
Becca's great. No, Becca she's got a better energy than I thought. She really, truly has a presence. That's kind of ting off the walls of my brain, you know?
It's gonna take
It's
off
kind of
his
like
balls.
a little bit of internal affairs going on, you know? It's great. I have a lot of love to give, and so
Where?
my love's
To
on a little
yourself?
pot on top of the oven, and it's time to pour some tea.
Like, I appreciate the entertainment. I do.
I'm done. So, the top three that we each think that she's gonna end up with is, for me, Colton, Garrett. Did I say Lincoln?
Yes.
Yeah. Colton, Garrett, and Lincoln. Those are my predictions for the top three.
My top three, I think, are going to be Garrett, Blake, and Nick. With that, I'm just going to sub in Wills. Wills and Nick are...
Blake. I would say my number 4 is probably Blake. Like, I liked Chris until he became the instigator, so I feel like everyone I liked is, like, becoming...
Wow, isn't that so realistic in life? And Clay!
I know you love Clay. 100% your type.
Clay is so... Like, he just looks like a wholesome family man.
Yeah. So,
Melts
my
in that.
top 3 predictions for who she's going to be with are also my favorite top 3. So, Garrett, Colton, and Lincoln. And hers are a little different.
My top 3 for who I am, like the personality and looks the most would have to be Clay... Who were they?
Who?
Clay, Blake, and Lincoln.
You know what this photo reminds me? It reminds me of that photo of Dwayne Johnson in a black sweater.
Oh.
So yeah, we drank all our wine. It's a good time. It's a little after 4. So it's a solid episode. I'm interested to see where this season goes. But now we want to know what you guys think of the episode and the guys, and who do you guys think is going to be in her top 3, as well as who is your top 3. So let us know in the comments, and as always, make sure to subscribe, and we will see you guys next time. Happy exploring. The fact that Rachel and Brian are still together still shakes me. You think they're fun.
I knew they were meant to be.
No.
Like, he was the runner-up the whole season. It was just the finale that everyone turned Team Peter.
I was always Team Peter. Always.
I mean, he's a better guy, but I always knew Brian was
I
gonna
want
end
him
up
to
with
come back
Rachel.
as the Bachelor, but I feel like he won't because of his whole. It's 6 weeks.
Yeah, it's hypocritical if he came back. Because he said it didn't work with Rachel because of the process.
I know.
So he shouldn't come back and try the process again.
Okay, we're digressing.